and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you're oldie but still goodie, welcome back. So I have a Dollar Tree haul for you all. I have really been going crazy about these nails. These press-on nails just impressed me. They was really holding on to the press on my fingers, and I was like, dang, for $1 come through Dollar Tree. So I just put everything together, and I'm gonna do one big Dollar Tree haul. So the first thing I have are these rags. I already opened this because I went to the car wash, and I already used these to dry my car off. They're okay. The only thing is little red speckles get left on the car, but other than that, they're okay, I guess. So the next thing I have are 2 bags of these teddy bear cookies. I did just haul these in a previous Dollar Tree haul, but babe liked them so much. He was like, go get me some more Teddy Graham. And I'm like, them teddy bears, come on, teddy bears. So I got him 2 bags of those. I absolutely love this air freshener, and I purchased 2 of them. It's the Angel of Mine bedroom air freshener. This is fresh, clean baby scent. Oh my lord, y'all, who has all tried these? I would love to hear your experience spraying these, your experience buying these. What do you think of this scent? Like, I think it's long lasting. I think it smells absolutely amazing, and it really kills the odor of dirty diapers and any kind of funky odor, but I love them things. So next I got some car fresheners. And some of this stuff I showed like in the previous clip because I did like a vlog or something, but I'm probably not gonna put it up. But yeah, I got some air fresheners. I got 2 of these Airwick air fresheners for the car. I'm just gonna put these in places in the car so they can smell good. And y'all know the baby be hating, he don't want me to be great. But yes, and then I got this fresh linen, and then I got this Citrix kind. And these are really, really good for your car. They last a long time, and they have your car smelling so good. So I purchased those. I also got this Armor All multi-purpose auto clean, and I got another one too that I left in the car, but I got this one to clean all fabrics and things. You know, with a lot of kids, they're gonna be touching stuff and doing stuff, but there is no eating in my car. But just in case, y'all, we want to be safe. We trying to keep good stuff looking good. Then I got a couple of polishes, you know, just to help me out this summer. I got this LA color in a 231. It's like a light blue looking color, really cute. And then I got this like colorful color to put on top. Maybe I could put that on top of here, like a little cotton candy looking situation. So yeah, I thought these were cute, so I picked those out. Not like I needed more nail polishes, but hey. Then I got this body oil. Oh my lord, cranberry and sweet orange. It just sounds like a sweet juice, like some juicy juice, or like a picnic beverage. So I picked this out. It's for your face, skin, and your hair. It says, with our body oil, your skin will gain the nourishment needed to support a healthy, youthful glow and retain its moisture balance, and provides benefits from head to toe. Your hair will shine and your skin will look smooth and blemish free. We gonna see about the blemish free. We gonna see. But yes, I did pick this out. I just thought the actual scent, cranberry and sweet orange, like, whew, that's gonna smell all kinds of. I'm actually gonna take it out so I can smell it because I know it's about to smell amazing. Oh, well, it's not as strong, but I still can smell it. It smells okay, but I thought it was gonna, whoo, just take over my little nostrils. And then I got this little nail filer just from Sassy Chic. A lot of their products are really amazing, so I picked this out just to help me with my little flake nails, Then I got this LA Color shiny lip gloss. Really getting into lip gloss. That's not what I'm wearing actually. I'm wearing something else that I got from Beauty Supply, but I'll go ahead and try this out, put it on my hand for you. It looks like this, just like a brown glossy color, if you can see that. But yeah, it smells like all the other like Dollar Tree stuff, like a little vanilla or banana or something. I'm just gonna wipe that off. So now I'm gonna show you all the nails that I got. I went everywhere looking for these nails. Oh, and this is the packaging for the little lip gloss I just showed you. So I also got this little Tricks chapstick because I thought it would just I don't know, I'm really starting to get into my lips, my skin and stuff. So I got this just in case I don't have lip gloss or lipstick. I can hurry up and put something on. So I grabbed that. Okay, so I got all of these nails, yes, from 3 different Dollar Trees. I got all of these nails from 3 different Dollar Trees because they just did not have like an abundance of them at one Dollar Tree. So the first thing I have is like some little nail art. They're just some little bows that I'm going to put on the nails when I do them after I do my hair. So be looking for a wash day for me because I have to wash my hair. Then I have these. These are just some like purple ones, trim on them. I thought this would be cute, and I was going to add a couple of these bows to that just to spice it up. But these right here were so cute, and I had to pick them out. They have like a gold dot on them, but the color within itself is just so summer and spring. Then I thought these were different, so I picked them out. They have like the yellow, blue, and white on them. Just super cute and just something to play on. These have like the little tipping of the blue and white and black, so I picked those out. I got these, I think they're like a pink color. I thought the color was cute, so I picked them out. I love these tribal. Oh, it just looks, I love black already, but then the pink and the green, just so cute. So I picked those out. Then I just got this simple red color. I love how they're longer. It's like, I can't think of it, coffin, I think. I'm gonna have to shape them up, I see now, but so cute, so simple. And then I got these little, again, tribal, but I love the pink and the turquoise, I think, the colors, the white and black on there. I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I got from Walmart because those are all the pieces that I picked out from the Dollar Tree. So I'm just gonna show you these few pieces from Walmart. I did get a large container of, but I also got some dumbbells, but they're downstairs because I just got done working out and they were so heavy, and yeah. Okay, so I got 2 pair of nails from Walmart. This is the Bring the Salon Home Kiss Salon color. I love these. Like, they are like a maroon type of color, but they're not shiny. They're like the, when you dip them into like the clay or whatever, the pot or whatever. So I thought these were so cute, and I cannot wait to wear these. But then I got these LA colors. There are 33 pieces of nails in here, and it has nail glue and pre-pad, and it has a nail filer, which is awesome because they were like $5. But they're like a nude color. So I'm definitely going to do a video on me applying these after I do my hair because I don't want to put these on and then do my hair, even though they're not going to come off. That's a waste of time. But I really like these. These are like my all-time favorite. So cute. But those are all the things that I got from the Walmart as well as the Dollar Tree. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to visit me on Instagram at Musix44. Until next time, peace.